freaking salad. Okay, so in here we've got a handful of kale, which is delicious, and spinach. Handful, bowl. Cut up about a handful of tomatoes, a handful of peppers, handful of asparagus, and then put them in. So I'm just gonna assemble these as we go. So take my half a tomato. It doesn't really matter if it's exactly half a tomato. It just should be somewhere in that range. If you just like tomato, cool. If you want to like get away from some tomato because it's not your favorite, okay, cool. That's fine. Half a pepper, toss that in there. The other half goes in, you guessed it, the other salad. A handful of asparagus, so about that size. Handful of asparagus. This is more than a handful. Wow. Whoops. Simple. Pretty easy. Okay. Once we get there, we've got chia seeds. You've been eating these, so you've got 2 tablespoons. 1 and 2. Chia seeds are going to give you a lot of healthy fats. It's also going to help your digestion. It's also going to help with satiation, which is keeping you less hungry for longer. So like making you feel full, because that's going to absorb water and then sit in your belly. It's great. All right. Then we've got, again, hemp seeds, 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Okay. Hemp seeds. FYI, in case you're taking drug tests, hemp seeds will not pop hot on a drug test because they are not psychoactive. That's THC. Okay. Put our little scooper back into chia seeds. Okay, the next thing. We've got Sun-Maid golden raisins. You're going to take 1/3 of a cup. This is the candy of the salad, okay? So 1/3 of a cup, dip this guy in there. This takes a little bit of, practice and finesse, which I obviously have a lot of finesse in my life. If you've ever seen me walk around, it's just full of finesse. Kaboom! 1/3 of a cup of candy / raisins, okay? Let's do it again, because Adrian has to eat as well. Kaboom. 1/3 of a cup of raisins. Kablam. Done. 1/3 of a cup. Next thing. Of delicious crumbled blue cheese. It's stinky. If you don't like blue cheese, all right, fine. You can do this with feta as well. But blue cheese has a little bit of a different fat content. So if you like blue cheese or can handle it, you should probably have it. This is more difficult to fill because you can't just scoop it. So you get it a little close. That's about 1/3 of a cup. That's going to go on mine because I don't want to rip off Adrian. I'll do better for yours. Shake, shake, shake. That's a full cup. Okay, 1/3. There it is. 1/3 a cup of blue cheese. Okay, now, off in the side that you don't see happening is we've got black beans. Why are they over here, Ben? Because they're wet. Okay, come back over. 1/3 of a cup. Black beans. Delicious. This thing is massive already. Okay, 1/3 of a cup goes in the side. Okay, we're done with this guy. We're done with these. Now it comes to a very important decision. Will you use your toasted almonds? Want to know how much it is? 1/3 of a cup. Use your toasted almonds as a side, / dessert, or will you use it as a topping? I will use it as a topping because, you know, it's delicious. So you get some honey. Well, first of all, toast these. Like put them in a pan and make them warm. They will taste better. Wait, Ben, that seems like an extra step. You're right, but it tastes better. Okay, cool. Hey, is it this one?
Yep, 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of preferably raw honey. Okay. This one I'm not cutting short because, you know, this is the only sweetness you're going to get. Drizzle, 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 drizzle. Shake, 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 shake. Dump onto the salad. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Okay. Next, same thing. But Adrian likes hers on the side. So there shall be no shaking and there will be no inserting into the salad.
You may want to chop the almonds if you're putting them on top of your salad.
Nah.
I didn't realize that Ben was going to do that. Otherwise, I may have chopped his.
Nah. Whatever, man. It can be done. Okay. That's your dessert. All right. So then the other thing that we have to consider is that what is this mixture?
2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil.
All right, so I'm not a super big fan of this stuff, so I'm not going to put it on mine. And Adrian doesn't like to make a cameo appearance in videos, so we're not going to show this part. We're just going to leave that there, and you can put it on whenever you're ready. Okay? I think we've covered everything. This has been Ben Teaches You How to Make Dinner, the second episode, first one with audio. Enjoy your shredded big ass salad.